If you are naturally a kind person, then you are probably familiar with the golden rule: do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Unfortunately, it almost always works that way. But why does it happen like this? If this question has ever crossed your mind even once, I strongly advise you to listen to this parable. In it, you will find the answer. And most importantly, you will understand how to live with the world's unfairness. Once, a young stranger knocked on the door of an old sage. Overwhelmed with tears, she told the old man her story. "I don't know how to continue living," she said with a trembling voice. "All my life, I treated people the way I wanted them to treat me. I was sincere with them and opened my soul to them. Whenever possible, I tried to do good without expecting anything in return. I helped as much as I could. I truly did all this selflessly. But in return, I received evil and mockery. It hurts me deeply. I'm just so tired. Please, tell me. What should I do?" The sage patiently listened and then advised the young woman to undress completely and walk barefoot through the streets of the city. Calmly, the sage said, "I'm sorry, but I haven't reached that level yet. Have you gone mad, or are you joking? I've done something like that before. I don't know what to expect from strangers. Maybe someone will promise something, or perhaps they will mock me." Suddenly, the sage stood up, opened the door, and placed a mirror on the table. "You're about to step out into the street naked. But for some reason, you feel no shame walking through the world with your soul fully exposed, just like this door wide open. You let anyone enter without hesitation. Your soul is that mirror. That's why we all see reflections of ourselves in other people. They see a reflection of their own darkness and vices, the grotesque image they perceive when they peer into your pure soul. They lack the strength and courage to admit that you are better than them, and to change themselves. Unfortunately, that is the fate reserved only for the truly brave. So what should I do? How can I change this situation if, essentially, it's out of my control?" The girl asked. "Come with me," the sage said. "I'll show you something. Look, this is my garden. For many years, I have nurtured these unseen beauties, watering them and taking care of them, honestly. I've never seen how these flowers bloom. All I ever get to see is their beautiful, bloom state. Enticing with their beauty and soulful aroma, learn from nature. Look at these wonderful flowers and see how they open their hearts to people. Cautiously, without anyone noticing, by revealing yourself to good people, and distancing yourself from those who pluck your petals and throw them underfoot. These weeds who haven't reached your level yet. You won't be able to help them. They will only see an ugly reflection of themselves."